What's the meaning of cuneiform? Cuneiform. Cuneiform.
Cuneiform. Cuneiform. Cuneiform is a system of writing that was used in ancient Mesopotamia. The word cuneiform comes from the Latin expression cuneus, which means wedge. The script was composed of wedge-like shapes that were impressed onto clay tablets using a stylus. Cuneiform was used to record all kinds of information, including laws, religious texts, and historical accounts. The development of cuneiform is considered a significant milestone in human history, as it allowed for the recording and preservation of knowledge. Today, cuneiform tablets serve as valuable sources of information about ancient societies and their cultures.